is 7th chapter mathematics to be definite integration. This is part number 11. Last part completed impounded 7 marks problem. Today also be explained one more problem in 7 marks definite integration. What is that problem? That problem is Roman number 3, question number 10. Integral 0 to pi x into sin cube x all by 1 plus cos square x into dx. This one is a problem. In this problem, you can take first problem is put I is equal to integral 0 to pi x into sin cube x by 1 plus cos square x dx. After that, here you can use integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This one is a very important useful formula. You can use this formula here. Here integral 0 to a, integral 0 to a same. In place of x, you can write a minus x. In place of a, you can write pi minus x. Thus, we can write I is equal to integral 0 to pi. X value is pi minus x into sin cube of x is pi minus x whole by 1 plus cos square of x value is pi minus x into dx. After that is equal to integral 0 to pi minus x into, here you can write 180, pi nothing but 180 degrees. 180 minus theta lies on second coordinate. In this second coordinate, sign is positive. 180 is which function? Even function. You can write sign is sin x whole cube. Similarly, 180 minus theta lies on second coordinate. In this second coordinate, cos is negative. 180 is even. You can write in place of cos positive minus cos. After that, 1 plus minus cos x whole square into dx. Sin of 180 minus x value sin x. Cos of 180 minus x value minus cos x. Next, integral 0 to pi, you can write pi minus x into sin cube x by 1 plus minus 1 whole square nothing but positive. You can write cos square x into dx. After that, you can go to I is equal to integral 0 to pi. Multiply here pi into sin cube x, pi into sin cube x minus x into sin cube x sin cube x all by denominator is 1 plus cos square x. Denominator is 1 plus cos square x into dx. After that, I is equal to integral 0 to pi. You can separated numerator pi into sin cube x by 1 plus cos square x minus x into sin cube x by 1 plus cos square x into dx. Here separated first term and second term, you can write separated denominator. After that, you can separated integration integral 0 to pi into sin cube x by 1 plus cos square x dx minus integral 0 to pi x into sin cube x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Integral 0 to pi, first term x in pi into sin cube x by 1 plus cos square x dx minus integral 0 to pi x into sin cube x by 1 plus cos square x dx. This value is equal to this one or not. Suppose this is one. From equation 1, integral 0 to pi x into sin cube x whole by 1 plus cos square x value is I is equal to integral 0 to pi into sin cube x by 1 plus cos square x dx minus this total value equal to capital I. From since equation number 1, this I goes to left hand side I plus I equal to integral 0 to pi into sin cube x by 1 plus cos square x into dx. Here I plus how much? 2 equal to, here you can common is pi is common. Integral 0 to pi sin cube x by 1 plus cos square x into dx. Here pi is common, sin cube x by 1 plus cos square x dx. This sin cube x can be written as this sin cube x 2y is equal to pi into integral 0 to pi sin cube nothing but sin square x into sin x whole by 1 plus cos square x whole by 1 plus cos square x into dx. After that, what is the value of sin square x? By the first identity of the trigonometry, sin square x plus cos square x value is 1. Then cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square. Sin square x equal to 1 minus cos square. You can write sin square x value integral 0 to pi 1 minus cos square x into sin x by 1 plus cos square x into dx. After that, you can write this cos x, put cos x is equal to t. Which one is equal to t here? Cos x is equal to t. What is the derivative of cos x? Minus sin x into dx is equal to dt. After that, to here function in terms of x, this cos x value is t, function converted to t. But here limits in terms of x is there. Limits also be changed in terms of t. Here sin x into dx is what, sir? Sin x into dx equal to minus dt. Suppose this is equation number 2. After that, here upper limit. What is the upper limit? X value is pi. X value is pi. Then t value is cos pi. T value is cos pi. T value is cos pi value is minus 1. Cos pi how much? Minus 1. Similarly, lower limit. X value is 0. T value is cos 0. Cos 0 value is 1. In this equation 2, you can write cos x value is t and sin x into dx value is minus dt. Upper limit is minus 1, lower limit is 1. 2 implies 2i is equal to integral. What is the upper limit? Upper limit value is minus 1, lower limit value is 1. 1 minus cos x value is t square by 1 plus cos x value is t, nothing but cos square x t square. Sin x into dx value is minus dt. Here cos x value is t, you get t square. Here also be cos x value is t, you get t square. Sin x into dx value is minus dt. Next, 2y is equal to minus 1 to minus 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square into minus dt. Here already explained different integration formulas. Interchanged limits, nothing but upper limit goes to lower limit goes to upper limit, that sign is changed. Similarly, here we can change the limit. 2y equal to, here upper limit minus 1 is lower limit. We can write lower limit 1 goes to upper limit 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Here interchange the limits, sign is changed. Already here which one is there? Negative is there. Negative into negative how much? Positive. This is into d. Understood or not? Interchange the limits. The function sign is changed. Here these two limits are interchanged. What is the function sign here? Negative. Negative can be changed, that is positive. After that, integral minus 1 to 1. Here separated numerator 1 by 1 plus t square minus t square by 1 plus t square into dt. 1 by 1 plus t square minus of t square by 1 plus t square. See students, here 1 by 1 plus t square, okay, this one is a formula is there. 1 plus t square, here only t square is there. This numerator add and subtracted 1. After that, minus 1 to 1, 1 by 1 plus t square minus 1 plus t square minus 1 by 1 plus t square whole dt. This t square and subtracted 1. Here 1 plus t square is the one term, minus 1 is the another term, separated denominator. Minus 1 to 1, 1 by 1 plus t square minus 1 plus t square by 1 plus t square is the one term, minus 1 by 1 plus t square is the another term. Whole dt is a one term. Okay, students, understood or not? Once again explained. Here 1 by 1 plus t square is same. Minus of 1 plus t square by 1 plus t square is a one term. Minus 1 by 1 plus t square is another term. These two term having here negative. After that, 2i is equal to integral minus 1 to 1, 1 by 1 plus t square minus 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square get cancelled, minus 1, 1 into 1, minus 1, minus into minus, plus 1 by 1 plus t square whole dt. After that, integral minus 1 to 1, 1 by 1 plus t square plus 1 by 1 plus t square. You can write 2 by 1 plus t square. Okay, minus 1 whole dt. In this case, next step, separated integration. Minus 1 to 1, 2 by 1 plus t square into dt minus integral minus 1 to 1, 1 dt. Here 2 is common, minus 1 to 1, 1 plus t square into dt. Here minus 1 to 1, 1 dt. Here 2 is common. You know that this integration, integral 1 by 1 plus x square nothing but tan inverse x. Similarly, you can write 2 into 1 by 1 plus t square integration is tan inverse t, limits is minus 1 to 1. Minus of what is the 1 dx x 1 dt t minus 1 to 1. 2 into, you can apply first upper limit. What is that upper limit? Tan inverse of upper limit is 1 minus tan inverse of lower limit is minus 1. 2 into tan inverse of upper limit is 1 minus of tan inverse of lower limit is minus 1. Minus of this 2 belongs to only first term, or minus of. Here upper limit is 1, minus of lower limit is minus 1. After that, 2 into tan inverse of tan pi by 4, tan 45 how much? Tan 45 1 minus of tan inverse of tan of minus 45. Tan of minus 45 how much? Tan of minus theta minus tan theta. That's why you can write minus 1. Minus of 1 minus into minus plus 1 plus 1 how much? 1 plus 1. Next how much? 2. Here tan inverse tan get cancelled. Here also be tan inverse tan get cancelled. Remaining what? Remaining 2i is equal to 2i. This total term value equal to 2i. 2i equal to 2 into pi by 4 minus of minus pi by 4 minus 1 plus 1 value is 2. Here pi by 4 is there, minus of here minus pi by 4 is there. Here minus into minus how much? Plus 2a equal to 2 into pi by 4 plus pi by 4 minus 2. 2y equal to 2 into pi by 4 plus pi by 4 how much? 2 pi by 4. 2 pi by 4 minus 2. 2 ones are 2, 2s are 2, 1s are 2, 1s are. Remaining what? 2y is equal to pi minus 2. Here both are cancelled, only pi is there. I is equal to pi minus 2 by 2. I is equal to what here? Pi minus 2 by 2. After that, you can separate this one. I is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 by 2. You get to pi by 2 minus 1. This is the value of I. What is the value here? I is what here? I is equal to integral 0 to pi x into sin cube x whole by 1 plus cos square x into dx. Value is pi by 2 minus 1. This one is a very important repeated problem.